Hello from our young food forest here behind the birds, behind the chickens area. It's over 1 month now when I planted the young baby fruit trees here, and basically we extended the young food forest. So yeah, now it's over 1 month. Let's have a look what the young fruit trees are doing. So a bit of an update today on them. So let's start. And if you are new to my channel, if you like this kind of content, would be lovely if you subscribe. Of course, like everyone, like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell which is located next to the subscribe button, so you won't miss any more videos in the future. So let's go. So basically all of them took off except one which didn't make. But let's start here. So the key apples, the thorny key apples, they took off like crazy. Lots of new growth, lots of new beautiful flowers, leaves, beautiful young leaves. I wonder when they get the first flowers. So no experience with this one whatsoever. First time growing key apple. Not sure if you know this shrub, this fruiting bush. Would be lovely if you let me know how long do I have to wait until I see the first flowers or the first fruit. So looking forward to this one. So carob tree, there is a new growth on there. So this one also like this place, looks like. Not much to see at the top, but it's got the young shoots, so I'm confident. Here my persimmon. Here I probably should give him some support, but it's doing okay. Very happy with the Malay apple. Look at the fresh leaves, reddish in color. Doing very well. So the next one here in the row is the achacha. Also got new growth. The young leaves are more of a like a yellowish color, which I suppose that's how it should be because the tree looks lovely. Also never had this tree before. Gambi doing well. Also some nice looking new leaves. Here the raisin tree. Lots of new leaves. So this one is feeling home too. Here the cashew. Cashew look really happy. then the santal, which had no leaves at all during winter in the pot, and now in spring, and now we have a beginning of summer, the 4th of December now, and showing us really nice, beautiful growth, new shoots, new leaves, perfect. This one here, which got many names. Also one of them is Indian olive. Looks a little bit tired. I put a stake because it was like growing on the ground, so I hope it will get some nice shape. I will have to help it, but it's got nice new leaves, so looking good. A bit dirty from the latest mowing and dust, but it looks good. And here our mulberry. Mulberry is always happy. She likes it here too. So the next one in the row would be the, which is gone now, ice cream bean. And I already have a plan what I will plant in here. So yeah, this one didn't make it. I will put a pecan nut. I've got 2 new pecan nut trees, which was such a lovely gift from my friends to my birthday. Everyone knows I love fruit trees. And I actually don't have a pecan nut yet, so I have 2 beautiful young trees, which I will find a place in here. And here the second ice cream bean, which I grew from the seed, by the way. So it's doing good. It's doing well. Here, nice new growth. All over, I'm really happy with the fruit trees, how they took off with the young fruit trees. So these are the basically 3 rows. And all of them, but the one which didn't make it, all of them doing really well. I so hope they will get a good rain, so I don't have to water that much during this summer, and they will take off really nicely until winter. So fingers crossed. And they will look like these guys in 1 to 2 years time. And by the way, we have the very first mangoes on our baby mango tree, which we grew from a seed. So really happy. Another 2 somewhere there. Oh yeah, over there 2 more. And so all the trees are doing very well here. We had on and off some beautiful rain. All the guavas are covered in young fruitlets. All the trees have nice, beautiful new growth on them. So yeah, it's beginning of summer now, as already said, beginning of December. So, and the rain and the weather and the warmth all together makes them very happy, and that makes me very happy too. Our mandarin also got beautiful, nice little fruits already, and some flowers. So flowering again. And before I forget, let's go to my food forest, where I also planted some fruiting bushes together with the little ones from over there. So let's have a quick look how they do. So, and here we are in the food forest. I will make an update on the other trees and plants very soon, but for now let's concentrate on the topic. So here also a little bit dirty of the radon mower which was blowing. So but this one, cherry of the Rio Grande, doesn't show much yet, or maybe a little bit of here, but it doesn't show much of a new growth. Oh yeah, here are new leaves. Also wondering here the same, how long will I have to wait until I can taste the first fruit? Do you know it? Let me know in the comments if you've got this tree. This is also the cherry of the Rio Grande. This one looks better and also got more new growth. So here, very nice. This one here got a companion now, which I don't really want to remove, that the Egyptian spinach seeded itself, and it's really yummy. So I hope they will do together well. If not, I have to remove. But look at this. This is the, what is it? Pitanga de Padron. So it's the Pitanga de Padron, and can you imagine? She is got 2 flower pots. Look at it. Wow. Maybe would be smart to remove them so the bush can concentrate on growing the little bush. But of course, me being me, I let it to her. She will do what she thinks she should do. If she wants to have flowers, I will let her. And she still got lots of time to grow. We are only in the first week of December. So the Pitanga tuber, also planted over a month ago, got nice new growth. When I planted her here, there was no turmeric. It's only emerged now, late spring. So I will leave it, but I definitely remove these guys. That's the cosmos flower, which doesn't need to take the nutrients from the Pitanga tuber. But I will probably leave the turmeric here next to it. Oh, and this one has to go too. Oh, okay, I need my gloves and maybe a tool. So yeah, Pitanga tuber doing well as well. And the acerola cherry, 2 of them, which I also planted together with the other ones at the same time. It's all in flower. Look at it. So pretty. Beautiful flowers. Even if she loses most of it, I'm still super happy with her. So she likes this place. And also the other one, here's the Ceylon hill gooseberry in its second year, but that's another topic. And here the second acerola cherry, and I will also remove the neighbors because she should have it a little bit lack of more space around her, I feel like. But she's also almost full in flower. Oh, and it's got a little bit fruitlet. one little guy. Beautiful. So yeah, I will let her as well do her own thing, what she does. And we also have these ones also planted together with the other ones. So this one is the pitomba. I've got 2 of them, also showing new growth. So really very, very happy with all of them. This one is the second one, the pitomba. Also never tasted the fruit. And then these guys, what are they again? Let's have a look what they are. Nangapaya. Yes, 2 of Nangapayas. Nangapaya. New growth. I think they look alright. Maybe could look better, but they're doing okay, I guess. This one also needs to get the dry bits off, but it's got some new growth, so they should be fine. And that's about it. I still have 3 more that I planted at the quails area in the aviary, but I already made a video about it like a few days ago. So if you want to check it out, so you will find it in the other videos in my channel. And so I hope you liked this update here, you liked the video. If you did, please like, and I hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.